So guys, here you can see one more LeetCode Camp video has been came on this channel. So in today's video we are solving our question number 607 by the name of salesperson. And this question we are solving in pandas, by the way. And this question is an easy one question which we are solving, and there are some of the topics that also has been included in today's video. There are only one topic which has been included by the name of database. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video. So first of all, we understand the concept, what is the question is trying to say us, then we'll be starting solving in our LeetCode Camp website. So now without wasting your any time, without taking your any long time, so let's move toward your computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So well, let's start with today's video, and in today's video we are solving a question number 607 by the way, by the name of salesperson. So first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we'll be start to solve in the LeetCode Camp website. So now let's begin. Now, here we created one table by the name of salesperson. In the column name, there is one sales ID, name, salary, commission rate, and hire date. And sales ID type is integer, name type is voucher, salary type is int, commission rate type is int, and hire date type is date. Int means integer, you know. Now, sales ID is our primary key column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table indicates the name and the ID of a salesperson alongside their salary, commission rate, and the hire date. Now, here we get one table by the name of salesperson, and I have told you that what is the salesperson table is trying to say us. Now, let's come our second table. The second table is on about company. There is one com ID, company ID type is integer, column name. Name is voucher, city is voucher, type. I am telling you the type. Com ID means column ID, com ID means company ID, okay. It's a one primary key column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table indicates the name and the ID of a company and the city in which the company is located. Table. Orders. Now there is a third table of the orders. Now the second, let's highlight the second table because we understand that second table. So now the third table is on about orders. There is one column name order ID which type is int. There is one order date which type is date. There is one com ID which type is int. There is one sales ID which type is int. There is one amount ID which type is int. Order ID is one primary key column with unique values for this table, and com ID is a foreign key reference column to com ID from the company table. Sales ID is a foreign key reference column to sales ID from the salesperson table. Each row of this table contains information about one order. This includes the ID of the company and the ID of the salesperson, the date of the order, and the amount paid. Now, what is our tasks in today's video? We have understood these all the three cases. Now, our last thing is to understand the case, okay, not mean case, the tasks, okay. Now, we want to write a solution to find the names of all the salesperson who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. We want to return the result table in any order, means in any order, okay, in any order we want to return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Example 1, salesperson table. This one first table in which the sales ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, name is John, Amy, Mark, Pam, Alex. Their salary are these type of salary, means 10 million, 12 million, 65 million, 25 million, 5,000, okay, and there's a commission rate like 6, 5, 12, 25, 10, and the hire date are also has been mentioned here. There's one first table, and if you see the company table, here we create one company ID 1, 2, 3, 4, in which the name is red, orange, yellow, green, and the city is Boston, New York, Boston, and Austin. Now, orders table, one more table is of the orders table. Order ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, and order date, there are the order dates, and there's one company ID 3411, and then there's a sales ID 4514, and there's all the amounts. Here you can see 1 lakh, 5,000, 50,000, 25,000. Here you can see it. And the upper incoming name Emmy Mark Alex. Why? Because according to orders 3 and 4 in that orders table, it is easy to tell that only salesperson John and Palm have sales to company Red. So we report all the other names in the table salesperson. Okay. So now let's try to solve this question in the LeetCodeCamp website. So total 4,49,000 people have submitted it, and only 2,96,300 people has been accepted. So now let's try to solve it in pandas. So first of all, we import the pandas. Import pandas as PD. Define def salesperson semicolon PD dot data frame, comma company PD dot data frame, comma order, then PD dot data frame minus greater than PD dot data frame, semicolon, enter. Now we define here df equals to salesperson. Now here I define one comment in which here I am finding the companies with red. Okay. So first of all we define a red company variable in which we define company, and then here it is looking like a list. Okay, here we grading a list. It's just looking like that. Now we define a company in which we define in the single quotes name, and then dot str means string, like you all the people know, then dot starts with. Okay, and then here we define rad. Okay, and then when we define a rad, here we define one more square bracket and one more square bracket in which we define com id, and then id. And then in this line, in the 6th line here, I am finding the companies with red. So now in the 2nd line here, I define orders of red company. O with red equals to orders, then com id, and then here we define dot is in, and then red company equals to com id, perfect, enter. And now here I define a final result with the names, return df, and then we define this sign df sales id, here we define. Then we define dot is in, and then define O with red sale, and then sales id, and then define a name. Perfect. So we have written about all the code. So now the last thing is to run this code. So now let me explain this code. First of all, in the 6th line here I am finding the companies with red. In the 8th line here I am order of the red company, and then the 10th line here I find a result with the names. So let's see the running code. So now when I run this code, so it is giving me an error in this line. Okay, I think so here I define dot, but I define here comma. So now let's see. Now it has been accepted, you can see it. So here you can see today's video we solved this question. Now the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat 35.15% people. So now let me paste this solution, and let me write here beat 35.15%. Okay. So now let me post this. So I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solve a question number 607 by the name of salesperson. If you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the notification bell also for more amazing these type of tutorials. So now for today, goodbye.